How's it going, everyone? This is Israel, your loan officer down here in Southern California. Today is January 21st, 2021. And well, let's get right to the news. We have President Biden pledging a full-scale wartime effort to combat the coronavirus pandemic, sign a string of executive orders and a presidential directive on Thursday aimed at combating the worst public health crisis in a century. So obviously, you can only imagine how the markets reacted. And U.S. stocks climb on optimism around Biden's COVID-19 plan and stimulus push. Now, to add into the mix, we also have to take into consideration the jobless report, which came out today. And here we go. We're going to start with the continuing jobless claims report. These are the people that are continuing to receive unemployment. It looks like the number is at 5,072,000. But the one critical one is this next one, initial jobless claims. These are the folks that have gone into unemployment. As of last report, they were at 965,000. It dropped a little bit to 900,000. Still, even though it dropped, those numbers are continuing to be high. And that was the reaction that we saw on the mortgage-backed securities. In fact, if we see, we did ended up with positive numbers, 8 basis points. So you can see we want to see these white candles. Again, every time we have a mixture of negative news, these are going to help the mortgage interest rates. And in fact, this is what occurred. Let me share with you guys really quick the interest rates for a conventional loan. As you can see, there wasn't a lot of change from yesterday. Everything pretty much stayed the same from yesterday to today. There was a few changes with the competitors. Obviously, I don't include a before and after, but those rates are continuing to climb just a bit. Now, as far as the following program, this is probably one of the most widely used. Same deal, 30-year fix. The only difference is that this only requires a 3.5% down payment. As you can see, as in reference to our rates, nothing really did change except for the people that have a 740 FICO score. It looks like as of today, they're looking at a 2.375 on a purchase of a home. And also, if you take a look at the competition, in fact, take a look at this, 660 FICO score will give you a 2.5 interest rate. If you see the competition, their lowest one is 2.6, and then it follows to 2.75 for US Bank and Citibank. And again, this requires a 740 plus FICO score. Here with us, we can offer you a 2.5 with only a 660 FICO score. Okay, as you know, part of this channel is always looking in ways to save you guys a little bit of money, and also investing, not just real estate, but any other type of investments. And so as part of Biden's report earlier today, I took the task of going through those 200 and some pages, and I stumble upon something really interesting. So I want to share this with you guys. And again, this is from the National Strategy for the COVID-19 Response and Pandemic Preparedness. Check this out. The president has directed relevant agencies to exercise all appropriate authorities, including the DPA, to accelerate manufacturing, delivery, and administration to meet shortfalls in these 12 categories of critical supplies, including taking action to increase the availability of supplies like the N95 mask, isolation gowns, nitrile gloves, etc., etc., etc. All right, and so the takeaway from this report that I was able to gather is that the government is really going to push to increase the supplies of things like the N95 mask, as well as other types of supplies. But the N95 mask, it dawned on me that one of the manufacturers that produces these types of masks, it just happens to be the company 3M. If you look at their website, you obviously see that they manufacture these masks. So again, here's the financial tip. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just connecting dots. Just want to share this information with you guys. Use it to your best of abilities. And my takeaway is, well, if they're really going to push for these types of supplies, wouldn't it make sense to maybe invest in 3M? I mean, chances are, if this happens to be the way the government wants to go, you could definitely see the stock prices on these companies skyrocket. Anyhow, just wanted to leave this out to you guys. And now to finalize the video, thanks again. Anybody that's thinking about refinancing or purchasing, give us a call at 661-388 7667. For all those homeowners out there that are thinking about putting their house on the market, give us a call. We have a great team of real estate investors and real estate agents that will be able to help you on that to see exactly what your amount of equity or the value of your home is. 661-388-7667. That's the number to reach us. Again, may God bless this nation. May God bless you. And I will see you guys on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.